Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. The Honorable, the judges, audience, and everyone here today. Ladies and gentlemen, let both of us thank our God who has given us health, so that we can participate in this activity in a very good condition. And I didn't forget to thank the judges who have given me the opportunity so that I can deliver a bit of my speech. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Alivia Givera Putri Ciaji. I'm student of Kebangsaan Senior High School, South Lampung. Ladies and gentlemen, on this happy occasion, I will deliver a little of my speech entitled The Effects of Online Learning on Students' Literacy in the Era of Pandemic. As we all know, education is a very important role in advancing a nation. But what if our society lacks in education and lacking in knowledge? So later they will have difficulty when faced with external pressure. Especially now that is still during the pandemic period, which requires students to learn using the distance method. It makes even more difficult for their knowledge or learning material. Ladies and gentlemen, here let me convey a few points from the impact of online learning. 1. Students who underestimate their duties as a student. Many students underestimate the assignment given by the teacher because they think they have a lot of time to do it, and freely submit their assignment without knowing the teacher is waiting for their assignment. 2. Students don't understand the learning material. With distance learning, students find it difficult to ask questions about material that is difficult to understand, especially if the teacher only gives assignment without explaining the material. This is what makes many students copy their friend's assignment. 3. Students have difficulty due to inadequate internet, because not all students have good internet access in the area where they live. Students have difficulties at do and collect assignment. 4. Students often forget the material in the previous lesson because they just do the tasks without studying the tasks properly. So they easily forget what the previous material was. For example, when I was about to start online learning and the teacher asked me about the material the previous week, I forgot that I would not be able to answer the question. Before closing, I want to state my personal opinion. I think this online learning is very ineffective for students like me, because many students complain that they can't receive learning well. But many students also prefer online learning because they can do it anytime and anywhere. We can conclude that the impact that occurred during the pandemic was very difficult for students to be able to study well. Example: 1. Students who underestimate their duties as a student. 2. Students don't understand the learning material. 3. Students have difficulty due to inadequate internet. 4. Students often forget the material in the previous lesson. This is the only speech that I can convey. I apologize if there are mistakes in my words, or my words that are less pleasing. I'm Olivia Givera Putri Ciaji. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.